Hydrangeas are flowers that persists for a pretty long time that I have known from my knowledge among many flowers. On my garden I have more than a month, maybe more than that in the wild forest. Let me tell you, hydrangea is a plant of my geographic region which survives under no care. I am searching for the pink variant that is a pretty color, the white one rarely found in India. Hydrangeas are perennial plants, flowers during spring to autumn, dormant during winter season. The plant is very sensitive to weather and climate. Rarely grow in regions having hot, temperate, less humid weather. The plant only needs its suitable weather for its growth with less care and fertilizer. The leaves turn droopy and wilted when you miss to water a single day, but don't panic, the plant will soon be okay by the evening. Hydrangea loves moist soil with a cool surrounding but warmth also. Give a normal shower, not much. Do not ever keep the soil wet but moist, or in other words, the plant is sensitive but not delicate. So the plant is okay the next morning after the shower. It's my duty every day to check all plants whether I work or not, but go through an observation. The first delicate plant in my garden is hybrid vinca. Under lots of care and maintenance, the plant shows a lot of tantrums. Last year, I made some propagation through cuttings. They persisted for some months but finally died. Today, I will show you how I succeeded finally. This plant is with me last 4 years. It took a lot of time to understand its behavior and characteristics. For cuttings, always choose green to woody stems. Only green stems will not work for propagation in hydrangea. Last time I made the cuttings and kept in a glass of water, then placed them on soil. But not needed for hydrangea plant. Simply use these sort of stems with two nodes or so, but be sure the stems should be woody with a portion of greenness. You will surely succeed, have faith. These are the successful cuttings that has survived. When I was pruning the mother plant during spring, I had no hope that they will survive. ऐसा है ना कि कभी कभी ज़्यादा ध्यान मत देना तो वो अपने आप ही ठीक हो जाता है। तो मैंने भी कटिंग्स लगाए और इन्हें बिल्कुल छोड़ दिए, जो होगा देखा जाएगा। Did not worry about the cuttings at all and did not check them whether they are doing well or not. It's all about plants' wish, whether they need attention and care. However, they survived. These cuttings were placed in the month of February March. Moreover, I have an added bonus because monsoon started by the mid of March and still going on. You won't believe it's raining last 26 days and we didn't see the sun. Grow your hydrangea plant in much loose porous soil where there is no water stagnation. But remember, the plant needs moist condition for the soil. I have used much leaf compost, coco peat, sand, charcoal crush, garden soil, neem extract. We have a common practice of using leaf compost. Our friend circle who are in gardening, we go to the hills and bring bags of leaf compost. Look at this cutting, the dried leaf on the stem. I did not disturb the cutting at all. Last few weeks, when I found new leaves, I was rejoiced. Then again, I planted some more cuttings randomly here and there. It's my habit, or you can say it's my way of gardening, not to place cuttings in a good manner, following the patented rules as I have seen other gardeners doing. This is another pot with cuttings. But see, this one didn't survive and is dead. Never mind, I made a few. That will do. Ooh, it's still alive. So what now? Let's see if it grows or not. Okay, I will cut the dried portion and I will place it again. Let's hope for the best. This is Plant Kingdom. You will never know what will happen and they will surprise you. Do not keep the plant under sunlight where temperature is below 20 degrees Celsius. It's okay for them. Keep the plant under semi shade, needs filtered sunlight. It's a humid loving plant, needs warmth and humidity for good growth. There is another one plastic poly bag where I had potted a cutting. Let me show you. I will bring it to you over here. I just forgot about the plastic polybag cutting and it's a very surprising one. I will show you. Just have a look All are new stem growth. There was no stem. I had placed an old woody part in this plastic poly bag, and I did not hope that there will be growth even in that woody stem of the hydrangea cutting. Look, this is the woody part which has formed new stems and new leaves. I don't think they will bloom next year. Hope they revive after dormancy this winter. In short, I can sum up that take woody stems, place the cuttings to any of your pots. Do not much water, sprinkle water, try to keep soil moist. Your cuttings will surely survive. And yes, mealybugs and spider mites sometimes attack. Not in my case. I spray neem oil very often and do not let infestation. So that's all, friend. If you have liked this video, then give a thumbs up. Like, share, subscribe to my channel and stay happy. Bye bye. Thanks for watching.